Alright, so, sorry about the part one with no commentary. It was really bad outside for most of the majority of the day. It was really bad out here. But I'm going to give you, the storm is still going. I think it's losing strength a little bit, but it is insane amount of snow that has been dumped in my area. At least 24 inches. I'm going to show you. And if you live in the Baltimore area, Parkville, because that's where I live at in Parkville, if you live in Baltimore, Maryland, anywhere in Maryland, like this video, tell me in the comments on how many inches your area has gotten. What are you doing? What is your preparations? I didn't say that right. Your preparations for this storm and how you're going to clean up. So, this is going to be a commentary, a narrated, well, I would say, me talking in the camera, part 2 of this. Because, obviously, you guys don't want to just stare at something filmed and no one saying anything, giving you detail about it. But, this is what we are dealing with here. I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm on my front porch. I cannot get off my front porch because all of this is covering my porch. If you look, this is the level of my porch. There is about 2 feet of snow in here, well, on this porch right now. That is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. The wind is still howling, as you can see through the view, through the screen. This is what my neighborhood looks like. It's cold. It's still snowing, if you can look up in the light right there. It doesn't really, it looks horrible. There's a car, there's my car down there. Well, that's my brother's car. I don't have a car. My car got vandalized. I'll take you over here. This is how much is laying on my railing. Got a nice pole fixture on here. The only dry spot on this porch is right there, and my porch is this big. Here is my mom's car. If you can see that, that whole thing is completely, and I mean completely, devoured with snow. This is a pretty remarkable storm. It has already beaten records before. It's beaten the record for the most snow amount ever dropped on Baltimore, Maryland, of course. This, I mean, it's let up a lot, but it is very cold. Very cold, indeed. See if I can show you the snow in here through the light. The wind is still howling completely. The snow is sticking on here, all over here. The snow, if you look at all the cars down this whole street, it is completely covered. And I gotta go to work tomorrow. But you know what? There is no work, because I can't drive that car or that car in 3 feet of snow. They said the snowfall total for right now is actually 30 inches of snow that has been falling here, that has fell here. The storm has started around 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and it's still continuing, and it is like it's like 6 or 7 o'clock right now. The sky. There's an icicle right up here. You can probably see that. That's pretty cool. That just means that it's getting colder. The snow, my mailbox has snow on top of it. My flag. This just shows you how much snow. Because this is my stairwell. There is no stairs at all. And like everyone has been saying, oh, this is going to be a warm winter, when of course now we have 30 plus inches of snow on the ground. I don't understand that. What people got to remember is that Baltimore is famous for getting hit really hard in the winter on January and February. Them 2 months are the baddest months, worst months that we get for snow. But yeah, there you go, guys. This is the Baltimore Blizzard 2016 part 2. I apologize for the last video because yeah, there was no talking involved whatsoever. But hey, what can I say? So with that, comment down below if you live in the Baltimore area, Maryland area, any district around in Maryland. Tell me the amount of snowfall that you have gotten in your area. Even send me pictures on my Instagram. Well, I don't have an Instagram, but I don't even know why I said that. I don't have Instagram. Send me some pictures through comments. Like the video if you're in the Baltimore area. And just tell me all around, how are you getting through this? What are you doing? What are you doing to keep yourself occupied through the day of this beautiful scenery of a blizzard that we call the Baltimore Blizzard of 2016. They have other names for it, but I think it's stupid. We shouldn't name snowstorms. That's only for hurricanes. But that's about it, guys. I'll see you later. Stay safe. Stay safe. And remember, if you see people having trouble, please help them. Help animals. Help the homeless. Do something. Because it is cold out here. It is dangerous. And people will die if nothing happens. If no one helps and they're stranded, they could get seriously injured or die. Hopefully that's not the case, but I'm just throwing it out there. Have a nice one, guys.